Hi, boys and girls. We're going to read another book, and today we're going to read about Billie Jean King. She was a famous tennis star, and she worked really hard to make sure everyone had equal rights. Introduction. Billie Jean King was a star tennis player. She is also an activist. She works to help women in sports. Early life. Billie Jean was born on November 22, 1943. She started playing tennis at age 11. Her family was poor, but she worked hard. So have you ever played tennis? It's a really fun sport. It takes a lot of running. And she started at a very young age. She obviously really loved to play tennis. And even though her family was poor, even though they had difficulties, she didn't let it stop her. She kept working and achieved what she wanted to achieve. Leader. King became a great tennis player. She was known for her speed. In 1966, she won Wimbledon. It is one of the most important tennis tournaments. In 1972, King won every major tennis tournament. She was the world's top women's tennis player. Wow! Look at the trophy she's holding. She was so successful. History maker. King was a star, but women athletes were paid less than men. King thought this was unfair. She worked to change it. It is unfair. Everyone should have the same equal rights and be paid the same thing for the same job. She played against a men's tennis champion. It was a huge event. King won. She showed that women were serious athletes too. Legacy. King has long worked for social change. She supported a law called Title IX. It gives female athletes in schools equal funding to males. King's work helps more girls play sports. She still works to help all people have equal rights. Thank you for reading with me.